Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, what I have for you today is a big mystery. It is a big box, and it's by Derm Store. Not sure what's in it. Could it be my Beauty Fix box, and it's just a box within a box? They've never sent it like that before, so it's a huge mystery. So if you're interested in finding out what's in here alongside me, do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, like I said, what's in here? Big mystery, right? I'm dying to find out. But first, affirmation time. And today is to cultivate a grateful heart by Gratitude Box. So let's see what we have today. Okay. Oh, this is kind of short, and it's a proverb. Okay, there we go. It's very short. But, you know, some of these short ones really, you know, pack a punch. So, enough is as good as a feast. You have to really think about that one, right? Enough is as good as a feast. In other words, you know, sometimes we want more than enough. We just want more and more and more. And we're not just talking about food here, guys. That too, you know, supersizing everything. And we go overboard with it, right? And then we suffer the consequences. But I think they mean in like a general terms in life, right? If you have what is sufficient, you have what makes you happy and content, then that's as good as having everything in the world. Because maybe having everything in the world is not such a great thing, right? I mean, when you have a feast, there's a lot of waste, right? And so, I mean, if you put that in terms of life in general, enough is as good as a feast. Because you're satiated, you're happy, you're content, and life goes on. So, you know, when you're doubting yourself and sometimes you look around and go, God, I could have more, and, you know, I'm here like, I don't have more. Well, you know what? More is not always better, okay? So if you have what you need and what you're happy with, be happy with that, okay? Great card. So, yeah. Alrighty, some of these cards are really short, but you know, they mean a lot, right? Because you can put this in terms of everything, right? So let's see, let's get this box open. Where's my cutter? Hold on one second. Okay, had to reach for my cutter. Here it is. And we are going to see what's in here. And I'm really, really curious. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna do this carefully. And especially when I don't have my glasses on to see up this close. I can see far just fine, it's just this close. Yeah, I want to be super careful. I don't want to cut my fingers off. No. So let's see. What do we got? Ta-da! Let me not poke my eye out either. Okay, so what do we have? Okay. All right. I think it is my beauty box, but it just didn't come with a small box. It came with a big box. Let me show you. God, I'm all tangled up in my clothes here. You see, it came like this, and it looks like it's inside. And it looks like a good thing. I am liking it. Oh, a sample fell out. Sample squeezed out. Or maybe they added extra. So they gave me this little sample in the box, floating on all by itself. But it looks like, wow, look at this, guys. And this is called the Best of Derm Store, the Essential Kit. I don't remember ordering this. Let me put my glasses on here. The essential set curated by our experts and featuring top-selling products. This ultimate discovery kit comprises the best of the best. So there it is. You know what? I'm going to have to do a little research. Not sure if I ordered this. I don't think I did. But maybe it is the Beauty Fix. Not really sure. Oh, and I love their bags. Matter of fact, I use these bags. These are actually came in handy when we were going on a trip. And so, yeah. My glasses is fogging up too because it is really hot here. So, okay. The first thing in the bag is Obagi New Derm AM/PM toner. Oh, interesting. I heard really good thing about Obagi. They are way too overpriced for me for what it, you know, for what it is, and I get just as good a products by other companies like Paula's Choice and Ordinary that I really haven't checked it out. But you know what? I'm willing to give it a try. It says it restores skin's natural pH. And let's see. This is even too small for my glasses, to be honest. Let me just whip out my magnifying glass. It says an essential step in your daily skincare routine. This alcohol-free, nourishing toner helps adjust your skin's pH. Use after cleansing to remove impurities and dead skin cells to prepare the skin for hydration or appropriate products. Directions. Use daily after cleansing. Shake before use. Saturate a cotton pad and gently wipe over face. Do not rinse. Okay, it's a toner. And you guys know that I really love my Paula's Choice toner. And also now my Dermatology toner works as well too. So, but you know, I could always give this a try, but it's gonna have to sit for a while. I just opened a new container. Okay, the next one here is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. I don't know about that. You know what happened last time I put a peel on my face. Maybe I'll give it a try because this is daily peel, so it must not be as strong. It says a patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Achieve clinical results at home. There we go. Okay. I don't know about that. I'm a little reluctant here at Days. Okay, so it's like this. It comes in a packet like that. So, okay. Well, you know what? We'll see. We'll see. And not now. Definitely not now. Okay, the other thing I have here is Clinical. Company name is Clinical. Active Serum. It's an innovative skincare. And it says our most popular product, this fast-acting, long-term, results-oriented formula decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, visibly restores skin tone, and is excellent for blemish-prone skin. Touted by physicians as the remarkable and phenomenal active serum, usually produces results within a couple of days. Potent activity will be noted upon applications as evidenced by cool tingling sensation. Excellent for all skin types and for all ages. This powerful botanical serum leaves skin moist and smooth. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to have to take it slow on these things, you know, because I don't want to put too much stuff on my skin. But this looks, you know, okay. Innovative skincare. I don't know. I can't get the box up. Oh, it's taped, is it? No, never mind. It's me being crazy. Oh, okay. It has a dropper along the side of it. Came like that. And then when you open it, oh, I like that. You open this jar here. So, very interesting. Yeah, we'll see. The box is all fancy and stuff. It's got a little hole to put this thing in there so that way it doesn't get gimpy. Okay, here we go. And the next product is, oh, I have this and I love this. It's Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. There we go. And I really like this spray, and it's really nice when my hair just gets flat sometimes, you know, from tying it back a lot. And I just spray this and texturize it and put volume back in it, and it works really well. I like it, so I'll use it. Okay, the next one is by Sunday Riley. All skin types. Good genes, all-in-one lactic acid treatment. There we go. You guys know how I feel about Sunday Riley, right? So this will be going into my giveaway. So yeah, I'm sure, I mean, she's got great products. I tried something for you and I really liked it, which was a vitamin C serum. It worked. It worked. I'm not gonna lie. And you know what though? I could give this one a try for you guys and give you feedback because these are quite expensive to buy. I hate for you guys to run out there and buy it and then it's like, so yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Okay, the next thing in my bag is Naturopathica Oat Cleansing Facial Polish. It's an exfoliant. Again, what the heck? What is up with all these exfoliants? I'm not gonna have any skin left. Okay, directions. Apply a small amount on moist skin and gently massage face. Rinse for a calming mask. Apply a layer to clean dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse. Keep away from eyes. If contact occurs, rinse with water. Yeah, that's common sense, right guys? So, there it is. Okay, another peeling mask. We will see about this, guys. One step at a time. Okay, the next thing in this container is 1A Retinol and Peptide Overnight Mask. Masks and peels. Masks and peels. There's a theme here. This is a treatment moisturizer by 1A. And there's not a whole lot of information here. It just says, This multitasker treats skin on multiple levels, hydrates and brightens stressed out skin, and it facilitates rejuvenation. I haven't heard that word in a long time. Rejuvenation. Yeah. It must have some really active chemicals in here because these are only good for 9 months after you open it. So, yep. Okie dokie. And the next thing in here is, oh, I've gotten this before. This is the SkinCeuticals Florentine CF, which is it's like a retinol treatment, and you put this on your skin. Yep. Does it say anything here? Nope, nope. It just has antioxidant retinol treatment, prevents. It just says prevents. Okay. Sample only, not for resale. Okay. There we go. Okay. And the last thing in my box here is by Dermatologica. Dermalogica. And I like this brand actually. And this is Daily Microfoliant. Looks like a deodorant. Okay, but what does it do? What do you do? Daily Microfoliant. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. Another exfoliator. Rice-based powder activates upon contact with water, releasing papain, salicylic acid, and rice enzymes to polish skin to perfection. Gentle enough for daily use. Yeah, we'll see about that. So anyway, yeah, and that's it. So, but that's not a bad bag. I must have ordered this like eons ago, maybe. It's a special, and it's just now coming maybe into the summer special. I don't know. So, yeah, I really don't remember this. So, but anyway, I got this microfilament. That back. Neutropathica face polish / exfoliant. A 1A retinol peptide overnight mask. Okay, this retinol oil. Oribe dry texturizing spray. I like this stuff. Obagi New Derm Toner. There we go. I'm going to use this one. I'm really curious about Obagi. Yeah, people say good things about it, but I don't know. So, and the next one is Clinical Active Serum. Okay. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. And I think you guys might have gotten this in a box if you chose it. I never did choose it, so I never received it. So, yep. And was that it? Oh, no. One more thing here. I'm like, wait a minute. How come there's like a lot of room? I usually can't repack these bags. The Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel by Dr. Gross. Yeah, by Dr. Gross. There it is. Yeah, that's what was in my little container here. And very interesting, guys. Yeah, I definitely do like this. And I love Derm Store because they have things like this. I think they might have had like a limited edition, the essential set curated by our experts. See, it's in the back like that. So that's the only reason why I know. So, yeah. But, I mean, this is a great, great way to try something. Because if I did buy this, I wouldn't have paid any more than $50 for it. And to get this type of skincare, I mean, Oribe is very expensive. Obagi is very expensive. Sunday Riley tends to be expensive. And Dermatologica, yeah, definitely Obagi, yeah. So, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Not bad. You know, I really like skincare bags like this and boxes like this. I don't want to get skincare in BoxyCharm or IPSY, you know. So, yeah, guys, there you go. And if you have any questions or you're curious about anything, please do put the questions below. But for now, if I added value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And as you guys know, I do have a giveaway right now going on, which is in my Mass Monday Ladies video. So if you're interested in entering, please do watch that video and read all of the rules below. Because I think I didn't say a whole lot about rules on that video, but I did put them below. I got all excited. I don't know. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your moments with me. And is it tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow will be the 15 channel in the summer collab giveaway. So check that out as well. 15 channels, all having a giveaway. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.